Aaron, really quick wiring instructions. Put the loom on the engine. Don't forget the earths. Put it into park or neutral to start it. Plug in the transmission. Airflow meter adapter. Make sure you go the right way. Oh, I can. Oh, it's really hard. There we go. That way. That's the inlet. Okay. Don't put it around backwards. It won't run nice. Plug this stuff in. Plug this stuff in. They're all different. Okay, so you can't get them wrong. Shift box is over there. There's some switches. Hopefully I'll have another video really soon to explain how that works. Power, this big one here. Put power to that, battery power. This plug. Oh wait, we need to have fuel pump. This one's fuel pump out. Single wire, FP written on it. That one there's for fans. Fan switch is there. Oh, well, there's your, it's in the box. There's a fan switch in that box with the accelerator position sensor. Second fuse for fans is in here. Okay, this power plug. Air conditioning one side. Ignition at the top, and start is that where that green wire is, which is a green wire. Put this on here. Oh, do it properly. So ignition in. Starter. Easy as.